So the nearest date available is the 10th of March. It's available to you. March 10th. Is it available to you?
Worship as an alternative prayer for Zoom.
Council, again off the record, these accused persons were even given the alternative of Zoom actually. They were given the alternative to appear on Zoom if they could not come here. And again, the same issue turned up. They rather show up on Zoom naked rather than be dressed in anything else. So that was the dilemma of going back and forth all morning. It's not like, of course, that court is saying don't appear, do appear. That is not my word. But the prison's regulations are very different from how people conduct themselves in court. I think you've also noticed that sometimes you go to prisons with dreadlocks and you come back with a bald head. They shave people clean. So they have their own regulations and their disciplines. So really, it's not on my violation, but all these offers were given. Before this interaction, all these options were given and were available to them. And they said, if you're not showing up in our t-shirt saying A, B, C, D, and all naked, we would rather not appear at all. So what you're supposed to do?
Today they came up with a new tactic that is very new. It is not the first time that politicians, activists, and other people have been arrested. The clothes you are arrested in every other time, they are the same clothes you come back in. Much as there are regulations inside the prison, we agree. While you're there, put on the yellow. But for the day you're being produced in court, you are given your clothes back and you appear in your clothes. I do not know whether the state has phobia or anything against spare BCG. It is the simple slogan on the t-shirts, but they just can't stand it.
So between the court and the prison, there is one of them who is mad. That now you want to prescribe a dress code for prisoners as they come to court. Because I have been in prison myself. When you reach there, they will give you their uniform because now you are under their custody. When you are coming to court, you will return to your clothes. This prison cannot claim that you drove people in Ruzira with t-shirts bearing the portrait of Dr. Kizza Besigye. And now it is a crime to bring them to court putting on the same clothes. They are playing games, and this magistrate, I don't understand whether she thinks this court is now a personal property.